Welcome to Softreviewed. In this video, I want to show you like a new AI avatar generator that can create videos, but with a twist, it can also show some emotions as well. All you need to do is just give it an image and some script, or it can dub your own voice, or you can give a sound, so it will speak that for you. So let's just take a look at some of the output that it generated. Let's play their trailer first.
Tell stories that stick. You need more than just random clips.
You need characters that can talk, express, and...
Wait, does the script say rap?
I'm all kinds of bad when I drop on the beat.
So that is the trailer. I hope you liked it. If you want to try it out, just click on that button and it will take you to this web page. This is a user interface where you can type in a prompt and you can also generate the image here itself. Or if you have an image, you can directly upload it here. It's your choice. And as of now, I am just uploading an image, this image, and I'll just give it some text so that don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more future videos. Thank you for watching Softreviewed. It will take some time to process this. It's in queue, so I'm just fast forwarding it. It is ready in under 1 minute.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more future videos. Thank you for watching Softreviewed.
It's not that of good quality like we saw in the trailer, but it's just okay. So I'm sure that it's going to get better over a period of time. Now let's look at some of the stock voice options available with this. So these are the voices. Let's hear them out.
Never mistake motion for action.
The greatest gospel concert the world.
Failure doesn't mean you are a failure. It
is not so important to know everything as to...
Hey, I'm Aracita!
These are some of the voices that are available with the software. And once you are logged in, as you can see, you have like your profile. That's it. No pricing details or anything like that. So it's just in beta, that's why. And there is a restriction of like we can only use 300 character. That's the limit. And in the trailer it says it can generate longer videos like for 2 minutes or something. So that's not available right now. This is just a preview to see how this works and functions. So I am sure that it's going to be paid, but I think they are looking to get some free press by giving it for free. So if you are watching this video, take advantage of this opportunity. So these are some of the already generated videos that they have here to showcase. Let's play.
Create whoever you can imagine.
But not too creative.
Introducing Hedra's Foundation Model Preview, where infinite video length meets amazing speed.
Well, this is really not how I thought this video was going to end.
Rolling up colonies, red coat heads on my list. G-Dub on the track, better brace for the fist. Tea parties in Boston, we ain't sipping no tea. Trying to tax my people, came swinging axes with glee. Cross the Delaware, cold winds couldn't phase. Riding with my homies, Hessians in the day.
Welcome to a test of the Hedra Alpha.
Now let's explore some more features of the software. As you can see, there is an option to import audio, but there is no inbuilt recorder. So we have to actually record it in our system and then upload the audio here. So in order to do that, I will record a sample voice so that I can upload it here. This is my original voice, and this AI avatar can speak my voice as well. How cool is this? If you'd like to know more, just click the video that's pointed using the arrow. Now that we have the recording, all we have to do is take the file and drag and drop it there, and the file will be uploaded. And as you can see, there is also a small trim function. If you want to trim out some areas, you can do that as well. This is my original voice, and this AI avatar can speak my voice. You can also preview the voice. Now we can just click on the generate button and wait for the generation to complete. Most of the time you will be sent to a queue, so you have to wait for your video generation to start. As you can see, your job is in a queue. I am just fast forwarding this video so that you can see the process here. It takes around 1 or 2 minutes time in order to actually finish the whole process. This is my original voice, and this AI avatar can speak my voice as well. How cool is this? If you'd like to know more, just click the video that's pointed using the arrow. So that is Hedra for you. If you liked it, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.